So Amazon just released its Q3 earnings and the stock tanked, and why it tanked and what to watch in these numbers. Make sure to stay tuned.
Wolf of Dubai.
So it's earnings season, and you know when it's earnings season, when simply every single day there come news about numbers that companies do every 3 months. So it's very, very interesting for us investors. It's the best time of the years, this 4 seasons, and every now and then you can look how the companies that you are following or you are invested in are actually doing. So make sure, if you are interested in stock investing, to be a better investor. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or more advanced. This channel will help you to get a very, very, very potential good investor with great return of investment. We will see. And make sure to subscribe and smash that like button, to follow this channel and build a community about investing in stocks, because I think not only this is very potential for your wealth, but also I try to make this as entertaining as possible for you guys. So make sure to stay and join the community. Thank you. So actually, the Amazon just raised around 6% of its market value on Friday, and the e-commerce giant fell short of a little bit of guidance and revenue as well. So let's have a dive into the numbers. So EPS is 4.23 versus 4.62, which was expected, so lower EPS per share over here. So revenue was a little bit more overall than the expected $68.8 billion, and web services here they fall short on the revenue, was just 9 billion versus 9.1 billion expected. And now, talking about these numbers, it's important that this company is so huge and still grows 30 to 35%. This means in less than 3 years they will double, all right? So this is really, really potential. And actually, I think that if you're looking for something futuristic that will still be around in 10-20 years, then I think a good bet is definitely Amazon, and a huge growth there as well, almost guaranteed. So let's have a look also what happened here. So actually the revenue grew 24% to 70 billion for the quarter, and Amazon have seen that there is a lot of new customers, and the investment that they did into first one-day delivery is really paying off. They see more engagement, more customer satisfaction, and so on and so forth. So this is very good for Amazon, because Amazon is one of the most important customer focused company, and that's why they are also so successful. They do everything and spend a lot of money to make the customer very, very happy. So actually customer are buying more often, and they are buying more products, said the Amazon CFO Brian Olsavsky during the call with reporters. And however, the Amazon fourth quarter revenue guidance came in at 80 billion to 86.5 billion, what the people have expected. So actually they will do less money towards end of the year for the fourth quarter, and this is where people got quite unsatisfied, and that's why the stock also tanked. This is one of the big reasons. Also, this kind of heavy investments obviously cut into Amazon's profitability, as they say. Its net income dropped to 2.1 billion, down 26% from year over year. So this is quite interesting, obviously, that they are putting investments of the future better than the profitability of the overall company. So this is, in my opinion, the right choice. because later on they can always, with these investments have more clients too, and then the volume plays here the big game that makes that we see also in growth companies like Tesla, that really makes a difference in profitability. So this is very, very interesting. So the revenue 35% growth rate was the slowest since Amazon Web Services. This was also very interesting that seeing this part of Amazon growing so fast, that 35% for this kind of company is the lowest number since 2015. So this is something that people saw like, wow, there's this happening, though it's still very, very good growth number, but still for Amazon it's such bad. You can see how big and fast growing this company really is. And in the statement, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos highlighted that the company's free one-day delivery initiative, saying it's leading to higher customer satisfaction. Amazon stock was about 18% up versus slightly down the S&P 20% gain for the year so far. So actually, it's less than the market, but I believe, and also with this downturn on Friday, we will see how this further develop, but definitely very, very interesting how this company further growth. And I believe, what we will talk about now in the conclusion is very, very important for you, Amazon investor. So first of all, make sure if you like this video to smash that like button, and also to subscribe to this channel to be the better investor overall. And also I would like to encourage you to follow me on Instagram. There's a lot of things behind the scenes, and I'm trying to build a great audience where everybody can benefit from each other, to sharing comments on the stock market, because in the end you should have good consideration about your own wealth. Now, how I interpreted the numbers of Amazon, I still believe it's a great company, it's a great growth story, which I love. I'm a growth value investor, so that means I look for very, very strong growth, a new type of products, internet, all these things that I'm really focusing. And on the other side, I look for value at the same time, which is sometimes very, very hard to get both at the same time. If you're looking for very nice value and good growth, then you sometimes the PE ratios are extremely high, because the companies don't put everything from their earnings into for the investment. So anyhow, Amazon is a huge player and will definitely grow fast and keep on going this pace over the next years. And I still believe if you're looking for something that is stable and that is also growing 30% per year, then you cannot take something better than Amazon in your portfolio. Let me know what you think, and make sure to switch on tomorrow, because I'm vlogging every single day.